Introducing team number 3 in this tag team gauntlet.
Well, wouldn't you know it? It's your old pals.
Absolutely. What great timing from Minajatwa, the former MPX Tag Team Champions.
Introducing team number 3, the Keto Chill CJ Ward, 1 in a million Tatum Manning, Minajatwa.
Of course, the former MPX Tag Team Champions. Looking pretty now because, in my opinion, the 2 favorites to win this match were the Lost Boys and the Impact players.
We have nothing else for the remaining teams. This makes the road a little bit easier. As the first 2 teams took each other out in essence.
Who's team number 4?
Here we got 2.
Now, I would not want to be Minajatwa right now. We saw these guys team together for the first time last week, came out on the short end of things, but I gotta believe, just based on size alone, these guys might be the new favorites.
Very well could be.
Introducing team number 4, Xavier Daniels and Big Fitz, the Big Guns.
We talked about it last week. These 2 have been training together, been friends for quite some time. And we might be looking at the next MPX Tag Team Champions.
Very, very quickly here in their run as a tag team. They have a chance to walk away with tag team gold here tonight. But if they want to do that, the first step here is the former tag team champions in Minajatwa, and that's no easy task. Normally in a gauntlet match like that, one of these teams is at a disadvantage, having already wrestled a match, but both of these teams are fresh.
And CJ Ward, I don't know what he thinks he's doing in there with Big Fitz right now.
CJ Ward with the go behind on Big Fitz, but I don't think that quite worked out like CJ wanted. CJ Ward up and over on the big, oh no.
Well, again, the Big Guns, this is, hold on. Big Guns, this is just their second time teaming together. I'm sorry, I just got
Hey, look, CJ Ward held on.
I got a little too much glimpse there of the King of Chill.
CJ Ward, he held on, pulled himself back in, but I don't know that that's a good thing.
And a huge chop to the chest from Big Fitz. Of course, Minajatwa, former tag team champions.
Big Fitz off the ropes.
Oh. This drops the leg right across CJ's neck. How about Jamie Aller returning?
How about Jamie Aller jumping the rail out here? Again, more back jumping from an Impact player, no surprise there.
And Big Fitz has got CJ up. Where's he gonna deposit him?
He's done.
Big Fitz says he's done. Oh no.
You might be looking for the F-bomb.
Oh no.
Things might be ending awfully early here for Minajatwa.
No, it can't end like this. Come on, no. No,
CJ Ward on his feet, tags in Tatum Manning.
There you go. And here comes 1 in a million, Tatum Manning. And he's almost as big as Big Fitz.
I don't know what your definition of almost is. And Tatum Manning already regretting that slap to Fitz.
Oh no.
Huge hip toss takes him into the Big Gun's corner. And here comes the man with the biggest guns of them all, Xavier Daniels.
X-Daddy in the match now for the first time. And, oh no!
And X-Daddy excited to get in here, looking to leave here with some tag team gold tonight.
Xavier Daniels following Tatum right into the corner with that clothesline and another one. Looks like the X-Train is rolling on down the tracks here.
He's got Manning up. Has him in the tree of woe.
There he comes.
Crossbody to Manning. Cover from Daniels. Only a 2 count. CJ Ward. And they're attempting to break it up.
CJ just making sure.
He's got Manning up on the shoulders.
What is?
And Daniels mocking Minajatwa a little bit.
That's a little bit unnecessary, I think.
And CJ Ward in there yet again. Minajatwa risking disqualification right now.
Well, Tatum Manning taking advantage of Xavier Daniels having his back turned. He was going after CJ Ward, but Tatum is the legal guy in the ring. Oh! Big German suplex from Tatum Manning, looking for the cover.
Well, Daniel's shoulder wasn't even down there. Manning putting the boots to Daniels. Of course, Minajatwa would love nothing more than to leave here as 2-time tag team champions. And let me guess, the champagne's already on ice. The VIP room is booked, I'm sure, right?
Absolutely. VIP room has been booked all week. We're waiting for a championship celebration here tonight. Unfortunately, Minajatwa still has a way to go here if that's going to happen.
Well, the tag to Big Fitz, and CJ's reaching for the tag, but I don't know if he wants in there right now.
Oh.
Clothesline to Manning.
Big Fitz coming in. CJ Ward, yeah, he wants no part of that. And I can't say I blame him.
Oh. And a huge kick to the chest from Fitz. Manning sit in, ducks the clothesline from Fitz. Fitz turns around. Inverted atomic drop. CJ Ward is in there. And Manning rolls him up.
He got him.
And they've been eliminated.
There we go. One down.
The big guns have been eliminated.
That's one down. Only one more team to go.
Well, and Minajatwa might be on their way.